Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete if made the panel beating it can't see. But on the screen, we have a whole lot to deal with, from the A-listers to the T-listers. It's some people, so let's just kick it off with the A-listers, because they kind of intertwine the T-lister, Diamond. Yes, as you know, Lockit got married a few days ago. And as you can see, they send them and say, yo, big up Tony Maturan because Foota hype are going away, you know. You see, man, I said, the man not congratulate the eye after him get married. And you know, say, Lockit, you'd host Foota hype in a barbershop. And that is why Foota hype is harboring feelings, my people. Because it was Lockit's wife or one of his wives that evicted Foota hype out, you know, them hosts on IG Live. You see, man, some people, problems in the comment section now because send them now. I said this marriage is all a fraud because Lockit is about to be deported. So Tony Maturan and all them friend them is in on it, you know. You know the thing, so you have to set up one marriage and make it look legit when you go to interview and all of this stuff, you know. This is man said because the sender knows this second wife of Lockit not too in on him. And he's in competition with her, but she move on with her life and don't want nothing to do with him. But here the drama, no, my people. The sender also said Lockit have one secret kid on the way or there. So with a relationship with a married woman in Florida and a married woman husband taking care of the kid, not knowing it's Lockit baby. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. No, Lockit got married. And the married woman over there going crazy. Problems in the comment section now because I'm not gonna lie to my people. I have to believe the sender, you know what I mean? Because me they get intimate, intricate details that Diamond is the reason why in first marriage or whatever went south. You know what I mean? This was sent to me in 2025. As you can see, the sender said, a people husband this Diamond post, you know, and then baby mother did have the barbershop, the one that Foota used to live in. Yeah, I'm not gonna tell you what I'm responsible for. But anyway, the baby mother did beat him and broke him, and when she find out about him and Diamond, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, what a sin thing. Anyway, people, wow, I'm not gonna lie to you. Lavine is giving her two daughters them problem, and they are not here for it. You see, I say, as you know, the next daughter, Lami, Duppy, you know, the TikTok now. And she's venting and talking about, oh, you know, the mom ungrateful and all of this stuff. Yeah, and Rosealee say, you know, she's feeling got licked down Lavine and all of this stuff. Yeah, my people, one bag of sinting, but Lavine say, the daughter over there, so, you know, just pretending so she can go out and have dinner with Rosealee. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. This family know how to work the apps. So let's take a look at what I go on for not to go on and proceed with the next.
Me I go through, brother. The hell do you know? The fuck? To them when she dey on fear live attack. How could never go say, don't come on TikTok with it. Go and go talk to your daughter privately. I could never go tell her that today. I could come over here to come and tell me say me for chill. Eh? She come over here come and tell the people back to me people have the wrong. Me no want brother, I'm tell you this. Me I go always clear the ear. When people come chat shit upon my name, me I go always clear the ear no matter what. Always. Because me no like when nobody tell lie upon me. None. Mother, father, granny, nobody. Not for tell lie upon me. I'm going to sit down and kick back so and watch it go by. No. You have your mouth and you talk out there because there's always two sides to a story. No matter what. Always two sides to a story. And for all of us, if I move out, I now move out to my mother's house. Me I stay right here. Because my mother not throwing me out. All of us, she a cuss and she a go and she not take my things them and throw me out. All of me I say is she need to grow up and be a big woman. That she need to do. Because come like all of my mother not grow up. I swear. You don't grow up, brother. All I want to do, I do a money at every day. That's all I want to do. All some bad. Brother, let's not talk about it. Yeah, man. Let's just not talk about it. Yeah, I mean, say, let's just leave it there. would all of my moderator them there. Come I go block someone if honestly, you know. Chronic, what you mean by all those talking about it? It helps a lot because me have vent and me have clear it off and my chest and I feel better. I feel way better. I feel way better. I'm not going to shame for this. My mother don't treat with the best of the best. Oh. My mother never don't treat me the best. My brother, all of you know we are talking and go on. You mother not come on live as a certain things about you know. You mother not treat you like my mother treat me. So I don't know what the hell I want a problem. I got talk out of my mouth. Yeah. Because I'm not the first year to do something like this. It's not the first. I can't forget when me about 15-year-old. 14 or 15, yeah. My man, because yeah, from them time I have man where I take care of me and send me go to school and then something there. Yeah, because she's not the type of mother where she's supposed to be. So a long time me have man I take care of me and send me go to school. One time my man do me go buy jerk pork and I come home with it. You get what I say? And she said to me say, Amasha, I beg a piece of your pork. I'm going to take a piece of the pork and give her. Yeah, I'm going to take a piece of the pork and give her. She going to tell me that she don't want that piece then. Another piece that she want, other piece that she want. Bear in mind, my mother, so most of the things that she love are that me love. And that was, to be specific, it was the meat, the fatty part of the pork. And the part that we like, the fatty part. And it was only one piece of fatty part tonight. And me go take my money. Me if I go take my money when my man bring me, go buy my pork, right? Come to you with a part of me like and I only one of the part there looking there. Tell me say you not have no heart for your mother. No heart. And that's the only one another piece they want and me like it too. And I my money by it. And I like I hear money by it. But anyways, so that piece that she want, and she don't want the piece to be. So me I say, what you mean by it? Nobody take none then. So she dash away, so she nobody want it. Ray. Oh, remember say I pitney because at the time when she take it, him still stand up out there. She go say, oh, remember say me a pitney. So Mr. Tuwari say, you must remember say me a still pitney because you come and talk about me a pitney and the man, you want the pork or the man buy me. And you talk about me a pitney. And the man buy me the pork. Yeah. So what you mean by me a pitney? Anything at all one wants, so alright more than me. Anything you say anything at all one wants, I could care fucking zero. Zero me care. Oh. She just said other part that she want, and I said, no, I want that part. So I take that part. Get what me I say? You can't want that part that me want. I am my money by it. And my money by it. And then you have the audacity if you're going to say, oh, me I look a pitney. And the mad money by it. Like, come on. Make it make sense. For sure you say, yo. Just make it make sense. Make it make sense. May I tell you, bro. For sure, them look at things there. Them look at things there. Them look at things they may have to go through. A regular Muslim when me I go high school, right? Enough days of that school me miss. Enough late days me go. School call by 7, 8 o'clock. Enough time my mother watch me lie down and tell her me like Mr. Twice, mommy, you know tomorrow for go to school. One time to touch me so. And she knows that I'm not gonna just get up. One time touch me, and by the time she do so books get killed ready for go to school and she gone, and those are back gone in my bed, so you know say my mister there at school. Them little thing there. They come and talk about prayer. I want the prayers to put in for her. Enough prayers and it's I don't know. Nothing not change. Just nothing not change. Father God, I see and know God. Brother, you're a big man and you move like you're a pitney. May have something to do. Why you feel like you have the need for come for your life? Come and I say them things about me and you're ungrateful. Yeah, my mother ungrateful. Very. And then the wickedest thing about it, you go and come and go and like say you're obligated. Well, you're not obligated. Right. So me I say, for the same thing when me I do, you can come do it. And then I come look for somebody and come and talk about how me I make money and I come like this and I come like that. That's how this thing work. No, you don't do that. If you like say obligate to my thing because I am a mother, for planting plant a seed, no make no sense. Because you plant the seed and no water it.
So what keep now?
The plant the seed and no water the seed.
Your mother get ready. Boy, yo. The woman beg a chook on your dog, yeah.
No, and especially beg me $2 just come and say, my daughter knows that I beg you $2, should I get it?
What did she say?
But you come here and go say, Masha, give me $2. I clean up the yard, say, the $2 where you go give the man to clean the yard, give me it. No. No. A your yard. You clean the yard. You don't deserve to get paid for clean the yard. What the hell? I look like me a mascot?
Just don't put your hands. But anyway, warmer. Hey man in a banga who? So I'm to our man. What's your call my name for me? No one gonna look across her face, you know. I'm in dark. I'm in a love chat. So when she come back, don't call my name. Me just stay when me go down the list. I tell her, if you come back, don't call my name. Because I want a serious girl coming around put on. So me not say nothing. Me shut my mouth. She told me not say nothing. Me shut my mouth. Because I can't believe it's sitting in my chair and I this me. I want to go back chair there. Wait till later. I want to cast pay banger and pay problem coming and care. Don't talk to the one I want.
What?
Yeah, put in the comment section where you think about that. No, people, I don't really know what's going on in the world right now, but wow, a lot of Jamaicans is, you know what, doing to them wives. As you know, Stephen Bowen has been arrested in America for unaliving his wife. And now we see the JDF boy unalive him wife on the Good Friday and go down on the police station. Want them for unalive him too. So I'm pretty sure I've seen those cases, and honestly, I don't know, you know. But always around this time, something that go on, you see me. But me just giving them a quick update, you see me. So do not forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when we drop the latest though. Bless.